So I'd say that the big thing going on right now from a development perspective in general is the shift to cloud native architectures is accelerating. And I'd say that what people meant 5 years ago when they said that was often lift and shifting an existing app off a server and putting it on a container. It doesn't mean that anymore. It's real architecting as microservices, or even more extreme, using real platform as a service capabilities in the cloud, like function as a service, Amazon Lambda, things like that. And what I've come to understand about this, in particular with some of the things like the move to serverless, it is the most disruptive thing in application development since the servlet was invented, right? There was this point where sort of application servers came to being and everything before them stopped working. And that's where you are when we see companies starting to large scale adopt these real cloud native architectures. Their current security tooling, I think a lot of their tooling, their deployment pipelines, everything just stops working. And so there's a massive push to modernization in the forward thinking companies. And you can see the leaders here today, 3-4 years from now, the people who we'd consider laggards will be where the leaders are now. So this is going to be a dramatic shift, and it's a huge focus for us. How do we help our customers really secure these environments, which in some ways, like from an infrastructure point of view, are much easier to secure because there's less surface area, right? If I'm serverless, I don't have to worry about patching the servers. That's great. But if I've got 1 million Lambda functions and 5,000 microservices, my application has potentially this huge surface area that I now need to understand. And there's a new generation of tooling that needs to exist that Contrast is building today that I think is really the future of where the industry is going. And we're going to see these huge shifts to build the next gen applications that we're going to need for the next 10 years. You can't build them the same way. They simply can't be built on monolithic application servers. You're not going to be able to get the scale, the reliability, everything else. So the applications are going to change a lot. It's a huge opportunity for developers to gain new sets of skills for how can I be part of the wave as that gets adopted, and for application development teams to really just view this as a huge opportunity to modernize their architectures and get huge new leverage.